In the heart of Buddhist philosophy lies a powerful concept, the art of letting go. This practice, known as upeksha in Sanskrit, is more than just a casual release. It's a profound shift in how we relate to our experiences. Letting go in Buddhism means freeing ourselves from attachments to possessions, ideas, and even our own egos. It's about recognizing the impermanence of all things and choosing not to cling to what is ultimately fleeting. This practice isn't just philosophical. It's a practical path to inner peace and true happiness. By releasing our grip on what we can't control, we open ourselves to the present moment, where real joy resides. As the Buddha taught, our suffering often comes from our resistance to what is, rather than from our circumstances themselves. Learning to let go is a transformative journey. It allows us to navigate life's ups and downs with grace, find freedom from unnecessary stress, and cultivate a deep sense of contentment. In the next few minutes, we'll explore how this ancient wisdom can profoundly impact our modern lives. Here's a narration for the two monks and the woman's story, designed to fit within 1 minute and 30 seconds. Picture this. Two Buddhist monks, an elder and a younger, are on a long journey. They've taken vows of celibacy and are forbidden from touching women. As they approach a river, they see a young woman in distress. The recent rains have turned the river crossing into a muddy, dangerous path. The woman, dressed in silk and clearly afraid of ruining her clothes, looks at the monks pleadingly. Without hesitation, the elder monk picks her up, carries her across the muddy road, and gently sets her down on the other side. She thanks him, and the monks continue their journey in silence. Hours pass, and the younger monk is visibly troubled. Unable to contain himself any longer, he blurts out, "Brother, we're not supposed to touch women, especially beautiful ones. Why did you do that?" The elder monk looks at his companion, surprised. He replies calmly, "I left that woman by the river hours ago. Why are you still carrying her?" In that moment, the younger monk realizes a profound truth. While he had been clinging to the incident, replaying it in his mind and letting it disturb his peace, his elder had simply responded to the need of the moment and then let it go completely. This simple story illustrates the heart of letting go. The elder monk's actions embody the wisdom of addressing what's in front of us, then releasing it fully. The younger monk's turmoil shows how holding on to thoughts, judgments, and past events can burden us unnecessarily. The story of the two monks offers profound insights into the art of letting go. Let's unpack its wisdom. First, consider the metaphor of carrying. The younger monk wasn't physically carrying the woman, but he was burdened by the weight of his thoughts and judgments about the incident. This represents how we often carry emotional burdens, replaying past events, nursing grudges, or clinging to regrets. These mental loads can be as exhausting as physical ones, draining our energy and clouding our perspective. Holding on to past events or negative emotions acts like an anchor, hindering our ability to move forward and experience joy in the present moment. The younger monk's preoccupation with what happened hours ago prevented him from fully engaging with the beauty of their journey or the peace of the present. Similarly, when we cling to past hurts or worries about the future, we miss the richness of now. The elder monk's attitude demonstrates the freedom that comes from letting go. By addressing the situation at hand and then releasing it completely, he remained unburdened and at peace. This is the essence of emotional freedom, the ability to engage fully with life as it unfolds, without being weighed down by what's already past. Embracing the art of letting go doesn't mean we become indifferent or forget important lessons. Rather, it allows us to respond to life with clarity, compassion, and wisdom, free from the baggage of the past. It's a path to living more fully in the present and finding true peace and happiness. First, start with mindfulness. Pay attention to your thoughts and feelings without judgment. When you notice yourself holding on to something, gently acknowledge it and choose to release it. Meditation is a powerful tool for cultivating this awareness. Even a few minutes a day can help you observe your thoughts and practice letting them pass without attachment. Try this quick exercise. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, visualize releasing a worry or negative emotion. Repeat this whenever you feel overwhelmed. Practice acceptance. Remind yourself that some things are beyond your control. Focus your energy on what you can change instead. Start small. Maybe it's letting go of a minor annoyance during your commute or releasing expectations about how your day should unfold. Remember, letting go is a skill. It takes practice, so be patient with yourself. Each small step is progress towards a more peaceful, happier you. By incorporating these simple techniques into your daily routine, you can gradually master the art of letting go and experience the freedom it brings. Remember, the art of letting go is a path to inner peace and true happiness. Like the elder monk, we can choose to release what no longer serves us. Embrace this practice in your daily life and watch as it transforms your world, one moment at a time. The journey to freedom begins with letting go.